Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian markets are trading with nominal losses after a Wall Street sell off and ahead of Jeremy Powell's highly anticipated speech at Jackson Hole. So, in the meeting, the Fed will decide how they will go for cutting the interest rates in next 4-5 months. More likely scenario is 50 basis point, but street is anticipating 75 basis point to 100 basis point, and maybe that's the reason the market is little bit volatile. Also, if we go through with FI's statistics, then on Thursday, on the day of weekly expiry, we saw some buying interest from FIS on the derivative segment as well as on the cash segment. But the entire setup of the market is indicating us that traders are cautious at higher levels. I'm going to say around 25,000 levels. Most of the time we saw some profit taking, and in the past also when there was some specific news flow on the interest rate, we saw deep decline in the market from the levels of 24,950. So we need to be a little bit careful around these levels while adding long positions at higher levels. But yes, in case if there is any correction during the day, then close to 24,700 levels, we should look for taking some long bets with a stop loss at 24,600. The market should not close below the levels of 24,600 for keeping the overall momentum intact. In case if we see the market is closing below the levels of 24,600, then it will invite further more worries. For the Bank Nifty, after very long time, I'm going to say almost 10-12 days after, the Bank Nifty managed to close above the mark of 50,900, which is positive. Now the Bank Nifty has confirmed its double bottom formation as well as breakout of a rectangle formation. So in case if there is any correction, then around 50,700 it would find support, and from there again we are expecting a rebound. Broadly, I am of the view that Bank Nifty is heading for the levels of 51,500, 51,800 in next few days. So again, if there is any correction, then close to 50,700 levels, look for taking some long bets in the market. And for other indices, we need to be more and more stock specific, because all these indices are trading with mixed gains and losses. So we need to be more and more stock specific, and it is better if we keep more focus on Nifty 50 levels for taking any trade in this market. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.